Hi there! Do you have cable management issues? Are you bothered by lack of charging options? Did you know that in certain countries such as France, Apple devices are no longer sold with a charger? Well, you do not just have to buy Apple chargers. Are you looking for better options? You can opt for a GAN charger instead of a traditional silicon charger. It delivers electricity with less heat with higher power and speed. The secret, gallium nitride instead of silicon. You've stumbled across the right video. This is the UGREEN Zapix 100-watt charger. Versatile, powerful, and all in one go. Say goodbye to all the issues we've talked about with this useful and wise product. Whether it be Macs, iPhone, or iPad, it will take care of all your USB-C and USB-A devices. Power and speed of charge. Just click on the link in the description below to grab yours. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.